Hi everyone, Alan from Newlands Nursery and welcome to today's 5-Minute Friday, and what we are doing is planting up a fantastic trailing pansy hanging basket. So it's going to end up looking a little bit like this, obviously with a little bit of time to grow. So it's nice and easy to do. Now what I'm saying is this is a perfect time of year to do it, because a lot of people have hanging baskets that look fantastic through the summer, but you get to this time of year, September, October, everything looks a little bit tired depending on the weather, and pansies are perfect for that, especially the trailing ones. And this one was only planted around about 3 weeks ago, so it shows how quickly they start establishing and start trailing over the side. So what you need is a hanging basket or a hanging pot. I've got here, I've part filled it with some well-drained multi-purpose compost, because no one's interested in watching me fill a pot full of soil. And what I'm going to do is plant 3 of these plants in here in a triangle shape. It's the best way to do it to make it look natural, and as you can see, it fills in and looks good quite quickly. So one tip is, if you get your pot of pansies just like this and hold it like that and support the compost, turn it upside down, give the pot a good squeeze, and if you've got a good root ball and a well-established plant, which it should be, then the pot will just slide off. Then we just place it on the surface of the compost. So what we're looking to do is the plant to sit in about the same level it was in the existing pot. And then we just repeat the process. It's nice and easy to do. It's almost therapeutic. And then we just place it on top. So what you'll find when you've done that, nice and evenly spaced, there's going to be gaps. So you're just going to have to fill that with some compost. So just get the same compost you used to fill the pot with, and just fill in the holes. Now don't worry about getting any compost over the leaves. That will soon wash off with the rain, especially if it's a day like we're having today. I don't know whether you can hear the showers on the greenhouse. But just tuck it in. Don't be tempted to compress the compost. We want it just to sit in there. Give it a turn, because the angle will help a bit. And then just tap the pot down. That will get rid of any air holes. If you've got some gaps that appear doing that, just fill them in. But it's as simple as that. All you now need to do is give it a good water. On a day like today, it's tipping down with rain, just put it outside, because they are very, very hardy pansies, and they will flower. These freefall ones will flower all the way from now till February, March time. So nice and easy to do, and well worth for colour in the winter. See you soon.